Hey, Jedi. Oh, yawn. There's Daddy. Can't really see Daddy very much because it's kind of dark in here. There's our little Jedi. What you doing? Huh? You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Yeah. Love you. Oh, I love it when you do that face. Ooh, your little ooh face. Your little ooh face. I wish you'd smile for me. Oh, you kind of smiled there a little bit. You're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Bye.